Hi! In this video, we will learn how to create event policies. You can use the BMC Helix Operations Management console to create, view, update, and delete event policies. Basic enrichment, notification, suppression, advanced enrichment, and time-based are all types of event policies. Today, we will create a policy with basic enrichment and notification details. A basic enrichment policy processes events with refined slot values to make the events more meaningful. A notification policy notifies users via email or incidents generated for proactive service integration (PSR) about an event so that actions can be taken. For this video, the basic enrichment policy will be for major events, where we will change the event priority to highest and specify the event category as SLA management. The notification policy will send an email to the administrator about the major event. In the BMC Helix Operations Management console, on the Event Policies page, click Create. Let's add a name and description for the policy. We will now add the event selection criteria. For this policy, we will specify all hosts with a specific name and event severity as major. After this, let's specify the enrichment details. We will create a basic enrichment policy, where we will set the priority to highest and the category to SLA management. In the same policy, we will also specify a notification message for the administrator. Let's specify the notification details. Here, we will select email. We will add the email ID and the subject. Here, let's use variables. The percentage symbol works as a variable and inserts the value from the event. In the notification criteria area, you can select the event severity and the event status. This will work for existing events too. The event severity must be equal to the event selection criteria that you used. Notification actions enables you to select an action to take on events. For now, we will only click Save. Now, let's enable and save the policy. You can see the policy on the Event Policies page. Let us now see if the policy is applied on events. Let's open the Events page and open an event that has arrived after the policy was enabled. In this event, you can see that the priority is changed to highest. The category is specified as SLA management. Under Logs and Notes, the Content column shows you the applied policies. Let's see if the notification policy is applied to this event. You can see that the administrator has received an email about the policy. The email contains the host name and severity from the event. Now we have seen how to create and enable an event policy. To view the BMC Helix Operations Management documentation, see docs.bmc.com/docs/Helix Operations Management. Thank you for watching this video.